Please subscribe to our channel to help us reach more students.
Right, we'll move on to next question, that is C. In an AP, A is given 5, D is given 3, N is given 50. Find N and Sn. Means nth term we have to find and sum of the first n terms. Now see here, what is the given? So An we know already. An is given is how much? 50. An is nothing but, shall we write? A plus n minus 1 into D. Yes or no? That is equal to 50. From this we know already A value and D value. Substitute here, then we'll get n value. See now, A is what? 5 plus n minus 1 into D is what here? 3. That is equal to 50. From this 5 plus 3n minus 3 is equal to 50. From this 3n plus 2 is equal to 50. From this 3n is equal to 50 minus 2. That is 3n is equal to 48. From this n is equal to what? 12. N is equal to 12. Now, coming to the Sn, we have to find out next thing what? Sn. Sn is equal to what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Now, Sn is nothing but here S12. Why? Because number of first terms how many here? 12. N is equal to 12 by 2 into a is given how much? 5. Correct? Plus, okay, n minus 1. N minus means 12 minus 1 into d is how much given? That is also given 3. Now substitute here 2 in 6 times get cancelled. Okay. Now 2 into 5 10 plus 11. 12 minus 1 11. 11 into 3 33. From this 6 into what? 43. 6 into 43. 6 into 40 240. Correct? 6 3s are 18. 258. Sum of the 12 terms of AP is what? 258. Clear? Next we will move on to the next question. That is, in an AP, A is equal to 2, D is equal to 8, Sn is equal to 90. Find n and an. That is the question for you. Sn is nothing but what? Sum of n terms. Now from this sum of n terms, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? From this substitute this value. 90 is equal to n we don't know. N by 2 into a is how much given? 2. Plus n minus 1 into d is given 8. If you simplify this thing, now here 2 is dividing. If you transpose this side, it will, okay. Now multiply it, then 180 you will get. N into, now 4 plus what? 8 n minus 8. From this 8 n minus 8. From this what you will get here? 180 is equal to, okay, n into 4, okay, 8n minus 4 only na? Yes, correct. Why? Because 8n as it is, minus 8 plus 4 is nothing but minus 4. Now if you take 4 is common, 180, 4n, yes or no? Then it will become 2n minus 1. Now already n is there, that's why here 4n. Now 4 in this how many times get cancelled? 4 4s are 16. Now 2, so 5 4s are 20, so 45 times. Now n into 2n minus 1. From this, so here, see all of you. Now 45 is equal to 2 in n into 2n square minus n into 1 n. Now from this you can make quadratic equation 2n square minus n minus 45 is equal to 0. From this you will get n value. See here. Now how we have to write here? 2 into minus 45 is nothing but minus what? 90. So minus 90. And if you add that, you will get minus 1. How it is possible? See, 90. So we can take this method. If you take factorization, so 2 45 times, now 3 15 times, now 3 5 times. Now how can we write? See here. If you take 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9. If you subtract minus 10, okay, then plus 9, you will get minus 1 only. So you can take this thing. Clear? So like this you have to find out the, okay, middle terms. Now shall I write 2n square minus 10n s plus 9n minus 45 is equal to 0. Correct? Yes or no? Then here what will get common here? First 2n get common. Correct? 2n, then n minus 5. Now plus here 9 get common, n minus 5. So from this 2n plus 9 and n minus 5 is equal to 0. From this, where n value is equal to what? Minus 9 by 2 and n value is equal to 5. So always nth term of AP should be what? Natural number. It is not possible. So n is equal to what? 5. Clear? So we got n value. Now we have to find out an also. Means what? A5 we have to find out. Correct? Yes or no? Now an is for now we know already a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we substitute a5. Okay. A5 is equal to now a plus a is already how much? Given already 2. Substitute here. Plus n is what? 5. Minus 1 into d is given 8. Now 2 plus so 4 into 8. Correct? Now 2 plus 4 8s are 32. Now 34. A5 value is what? 34. Okay, dear students, we'll move to the next question, that is first term of an AP is given 5. The last term also given, that is 45. And the sum also given, that is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference of for that particular AP. Now see, here given is what? Given is what? First term a is equal to 5 and the last term we can say it as a an or l. Okay, that is what? 45 or an also we can say it. Last term of the AP. Now see, here we know that already sum of the n terms of AP is equal to what? N by 2, okay, into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. I have already given to how to write in a short form, same formula. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus a, shall I write? A plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, we know that this is nth term of AP only, na? So you can write as a shortest form n by 2 into a plus an. That is nothing but you can say it as al, na? Now al. First term plus last term. now in this we have n. So you can, by using this you have to find out the n, and in this we have d. By using this formula we have to find out the d. Clear? Now first of all we'll see this thing. See here, Sn is equal to what? N by 2 a plus l. Where how many terms given actually? That is we have to find out. So but sum is given. Sum is given. Sn is given how much? 400. Now substitute here. 400 is equal to n by 2 we don't know into a first term we know, that is 5, and last term also we know, that is 45. From this n by 2 is 50. Okay, here 400. Now here this 50 in this 25 term can cancel. Now 400 by 25, where n is equal to, that is what? 16 times. N is equal to what? 16. Means number of terms are how many are there? 16. Now now by using this formula you will get what? D, common difference. See Sn we know already, substitute here. 400 is equal to, directly I am substituting, see here. Okay, again n by 2. N is what? 16 now. 16 by 2 into a is how much given? 5. Substitute here. Directly I am substituting. Okay. Now plus n minus 1 into d, where n is equal to 16 minus 1 into d we have to find out. Okay. Now from this is how many times? 8 times get cancel. 400 is equal to here what? 8 into 10 plus 16 plus 15d. Correct? Now here if you simplify this thing, 80 plus 8 into 15, 120d. From this, if you 80 transpose this side, 40 minus 400 minus 8 is what? 320 is equal to 120d. Now 320 by 120d. So 0 0 get cancelled. Now in this, okay, 4 table 8 term get cancelled. In the 3 term get cancelled. So d is equal to what? 8 by 3. Okay students, we'll move on to the next question, that is the first term and last term of an AP are 17 and 350 respectively. Means where first term is 17 and the last term is what? 350. Now if common difference is 9, how many terms are there and what is their sum? That is the question for you. In an earlier question what we did actually, they gave okay first term and last term. Okay, we know already sum of n terms formula. in that shortest formula also we know short formula of the sum of n terms of AP, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where a is equal to first term and l is equal to last term. By using that formula we did. So this question how to do here? First of all, analyze the question. Here what is the given? So a is given. A is given is how much? 17. And the last term l or an is given what? 350. Okay. Now one more thing is given, that is what? Common difference. D is given 9. Now an, you can take an is equal to 350. We know an formula, that is what? A plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? If you apply this formula, you will get n value here. Okay. So now here, a substitute here. A is what? 17 plus n we don't know. N minus 1 into d we know, that is 9 is equal to 350. From this 17 plus n, 9n minus 9 is equal to 350. From this, what you will get here? 9n is equal to 350 minus 8 only na? Why? Because if you transpose this side, you will get minus. Here 17 minus 9, 8. Now, from this, 9n is equal to what? 342. Now, n is equal to what? 38. Now, we got the number of terms. Correct? Now, which formula to find the, here we want, what we have to do? Sum of the terms. What is the formula? Sum of the terms. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes or no? Now by applying this formula, yes, 38 is equal to 38 by 2 into 2 into a we know already, that is what? 17. Okay. Otherwise you can keep like this. N minus 1. N is what? 38 minus 1 into d is what? 9. Right? Now how many times get cancel? 19 times get cancel. Now 34 plus, now 37 into 9. So now see, product, whenever you are doing product, that is very careful here. See, 9 into 37. How can we? So 9 30s. I already told you many times. 9 into 30, 270. Okay, 9 3s are 27. You 30 means 10 is there, keep 10. 9 7s are 63. Now together is how much? 333. Now, so here what is the result here? 19 into 34 plus 333. If you add up, you will get what? If you add up, you will get, see, 7, 6. 19 into 367. Now, see, here I am writing where S38 is equal to. Clear? Here I am writing S38. Okay. Now S38 is equal to what? 19 into 367. Then how to do 19 into 367? So first of all, you can take 20 times of 367. Okay. Means 10 times of 367, 3670. 10 times of 367, 3670. If you add up, you will get what? 7340. From this, you have to subtract 1 time of 367. Why? Because we required only 19 times only. But here we took 20 times. For easy, calculation easy here. Okay. Now, 7340 minus 367, if you do 3, okay. Now, 13 minus 6, 7. Now, this is what again? 12. So, here what? 12 minus 3, 9 and 6. 6973. Your answer is what? 6973. This is the sum of their terms. Clear all of you? Right. Next, we'll move to the next question. Find the sum of first 51 terms of an AP whose second term and third terms are 14 and 18 respectively. See, here if you want to find out the first 21 terms of AP, we require A. Yes or no? Why? Because in the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here we require d also. Okay? Then how to find out those two values by using this? See, let's see here. What is the given information? Given information is what? A2 given, correct? Second term is nothing but what? A2. Shall I write this one? Okay. A2 given is how much? 14. Now A3 given, that is how much? 18. Now A2, shall I write? A plus D, that is equal to 14, that is equation 1. Now A3 shall I write? A plus 2D we know already, so that is equal to 18. This is equation number 2. Now subtract 2 minus 1, then what you will get? a plus 2d is equal to 18. From this a plus 2d if you subtract, that is what, 14. Now sorry, d, a minus a get cancelled, 2d minus d, it will become d. Now 18 minus 14, 4. So d value what, 4. Now substitute d value in equation 1. Okay, value of d, substitute in equation 1. Substitute in equation 1. In equation 1. See here, what we will get then? Equation 1, a plus 4 is equal to 14. From this a is equal to what? 14 minus 4, a is equal to 10. A value also you got. Now what we have to do now? Sum of the first term of this particular AP. Now Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now see, Sn is equal to, now tell me, S51, they are asking 51 terms. S51 is equal to 51 by 2 into 2a is how much? 2 into 10 plus n minus 1. 51 minus n 1 into d is what? 10, correct? D, sorry, 4. Now S51 is equal to what? You will get here 51 by 2 like this only, you can keep. Now 20 plus here 4, 50 into 4, 200 only, na? Correct? 200. 51 minus 150, 50 into 4, 200. Now S51 is equal to, see here, 51 into 220 by 2. 2 in this moment of cancel, 110. Now 51 into 110. So 51 into 110 is how much? See here. How to do? Again, here we have to multiply smart way. Okay, 50 into, okay, 110. 50 into 110. So first of all, 10 into 110 is what? 1100. Now 50 into, so 5500 only, na? 50 into 110. Now 1 time of 100. 110. So it total if you add, so 5610 your answer. What is the answer? 5610. Here I am writing all of you. 51 into, so finally S51 is 51 into what? 110. It gives 5610. Clear? Next question, somewhat challenging question. See here. If the sum of first 17 terms of an AP is 49 and first 7 terms here, this is 7 terms of an AP is 49 and the 17 terms of that AP is 289. Find the sum of first 10 terms, that is the formula. Here, if the first sum of the first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and that of 17 terms of an AP is 289. Find the sum of first n terms. Now see here, what is the given information? What is the given information? S7 is equal to what? 49 and again same as S17 given, that is 289. Now we have to find out Sn. This is the information given to you. Now we know already formula Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? Now for suppose let's say first this one S7 you can take sum of 7 terms. Here 49 is equal to, here where this is equal to what? 7. Sum of first 7 terms. So 7 by 2 into, okay, here 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Correct? N minus 1 into d. Here where n is equal to what? 7. Now if you simplify this one, so it gives what? This 7 in this 7 term get cancelled. 14. 14 is equal to this 2 transpose this side. Okay, understand all of you. 7 7s are 49. This 2 transpose this side you will get. Now here 2a. Okay, this is a. 2a plus 6d. Correct? From this is equation 1. Now another. Substitute here. Same here S17. Okay, 289 is equal to, means sum of first 17 terms. So which term? 17. 17 by 2 into again 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. Correct? Now if you simplify this one again, this is 17 term get cancel. 2 into 17 34. Now 2a plus 16d. Okay, this is equation 2. Now from equation 2, equation 1 if you subtract 2 minus 1 if you do, now you got 2a plus 16d is equal to 34. From this 2a plus 6d is equal to what? 14. From this 2a get cancelled. 10d is equal to what? 20. From this d is equal to 10. Clear all of you? From this d is equal to 10. Now what we have to find out? What we have to find out now? See all of you. We have to find out, first of all, take that AP, how it is forms. Now if you substitute d value in any one of the equation, you will get a value also, na? Right. Here now I am substituting here C. So d substitute in equation 1. In equation 1. Now what you will get here? 14 is equal to 2a plus 16 into d is how much? 10. 6d, sorry, 6 only, na 6. Now from this 14 is equal to 2a plus 60. From this 2a is equal to what? Okay, 2a is equal to minus 50, 46. Okay students, we'll move to the next question, that is somewhat challenging question, right? If the sum of first 7 terms of an AP is 49 and the top 17 terms of that AP is 289, find the sum of first n terms. In this scenario, here we don't know the first term and we don't know the common difference, and how to find out by using this. Let's see. We know that formula, sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2e. So by using that, see, what is the given information right here? S7 is what? 49. S17 is what? Sum of first 17 terms? 289. We have to find out Sn is equal to what? We know already. Sn is equal to, what is the formula? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. From this, here you can take first this sum of 7 terms already given. Substitute here 49, where n is equal to 7. Why? Because sum of first 7 terms given. 2a plus n minus, where n is equal to 7 minus 1 into d. From this you will get, so 7 times get cancelled. 14 is equal to 2a plus 6d. This is equation 1. Clear all of you? Now substitute this in the same formula, this sum of first 17 terms. Now 17 terms given is what? 289 is equal to 17 by 2 into 2a plus 17 minus 1 into d. 17 minus 1 into d. That is gives what? It is again cancel 17 times. 2 into 17 34. Now 2a plus 16d. It is equal to equation 1. Equation 2. Now subtract 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Then see here what will happen. Okay. 2a plus 16d, that is equal to 34. From this 2a plus 6d is equal to what? 14. If you subtract, what will happen? See here, 2a get cancelled. 16d minus 6d gives 10d. 34 minus 14 20. Then d is equal to what? 2. D value we got 2. Now what we have to do now? First of all, a value. If you know the a value, then you will get that AP. After that, take nth term and sum of that you have to do. Now substitute d value in any equation, you will get a value. Now I am substituting d value in 1. D value substitute in 1. Substitute in 1. Now see, here what is the first equation? 2a plus 6d is equal to 14. Now 2a plus 6 into d is what? 2 is equal to 14. From this 2a is equal to, this is what? 12. 14 minus 12. 2a is equal to 2. From this a is equal to what? 1. A is equal to 1. Now you got a value and you have d value. Now you will get this what? AP. What is the AP then? So here 1 come 1, next we have to add 3. Yes or no? Why? Because 2 you have to divide next 5 and so on up to n terms you have to take. Clear? Now we have to find out the sum of n terms. So we already know that formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into what? 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. Here 2a is what? 1. Directly I am substituting here. Plus n minus 1 into d is what again? 2. Now if you simplify this, Sn is equal to, now n by 2 into, okay, 2 plus, what is this? 2n minus 2. Now 2, okay, 2 get cancelled now. Now it will becomes what? From this I am writing here, Sn is equal to 2n square by 2. This is 2 get cancelled. Now Sn is equal to what? N square. Sn is equal to what? N square. Means sum of first odd natural numbers is what? N square. We know that.